This is box fan night light number 3. I did another change. Still got a rectifier on there and the capacitor, and I took a 10 millimeter slow change LED and I used some really fine sandpaper and basically frosted it because I can't find any diffused slow changed RGBs. This is the same fan, same propeller. It's in the first video, and here we go. I like these better than the well, this is just one 10 millimeter, and I like it better than the 2 straw hats. This one actually puts out different, more color. And it's enough for me to get up, go to the bathroom at night. Don't have to run a night light in here. Plus I got solar lights in the windows. All the information for the propeller and everything are in the last video I made for this, as far as the pitch and everything, the length. Got to use a wooden one. The plastic ones are too heavy. This was just made out of a bunch of junk, scrap parts, coat hanger, and a propeller.